Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoho website builder, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a photo gallery into your Zoho website builder? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a photo gallery into your Zoho website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're managing your website, you know it's important to have various photos about your products. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. Is handled here in your Zoho Sites account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Zoho Sites, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, it's going to show all the different websites you have with Zoho. You can see I just have this one. So first you want to go ahead and click on the website you want to add a photo gallery to. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the editor. And in order to add a photo gallery, what you're going to do is hover over this button here, Manage. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu, and you want to click on Photo Albums. Okay, so these are photo collections. So if I have a food website, maybe I'm going to have a photo collection of Chinese food and then another photo collection of Mexican food. Once we've put together that collection, we're going to be able to go into the website and then add that photo gallery in. So I'm going to go ahead and click here, Add Photo Album. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this photo album name. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and name it Delicious Tacos. All right, I'm going to click Add. Okay, so now if you look here on the top left, we are now in the photo album called Delicious Tacos. So now we're going to go ahead and add images. Once you click here, you're going to be able to upload directly from your computer. So let me go ahead and add in a few photos. Okay guys, so I went ahead and added 4 images in here. So you can add a caption if you want. I don't really like to do that. Well, if you do want to add a caption, just click on caption and then you'll see this little box pop up. And then what we're going to do is click on publish here on the top left. Okay, photo album published. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and close this out here on the top right. Now you can see my photo album, Delicious Tacos. So we're going to go ahead and add this into our website by clicking on the edit site button here on the top right. Okay, so here we are in the Zoho website builder editor. So I have a page dedicated just to tacos. So let me go ahead and go to that page right here, Best Tacos. Okay, so here is my taco page right here. So what we're going to do is, in order to add a photo gallery, we're going to click on this plus icon here on the top left, and we're going to click on element. Okay, once we do that, we're going to look for photo album right here. This is what we put together, and you're just going to drag it on over. Now, when you drag it, you're going to see a blue line. That's where it's going to drop. So if I want it to be between the carne asada taco and chicken taco, I can do that. But for me, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it right above my form. So right here. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and choose our photo set. So I'm going to use tacos. Once you've clicked on it, click on add here at the bottom. Okay, so here is my photo gallery. As you can see, it's right above where I wanted it, right here on my contact form. Now you can kind of play around with this if you want, because you're going to see this kind of edit box over here. So photo album style, square, or we're going to do rectangle. That looks much better. Or you can do a slide, or we can do a film strip. So for me, I kind of like the rectangle. Okay. And then if you want to have these moving, you can go ahead and increase the spacing. So that looks much better with the white line in between it. Okay, let me close this out. Okay, so now as you can see, we have a photo gallery right above our contact form. So if that looks good to you, you're not actually quite finished until you click on publish here on the top right. Okay, a quick second later, it says changes have been published. So we can click on the website, and what we're going to do is go to the taco page, and let's see if it's still there. So there you have it. There is our photo gallery that we added into our Zoho website builder. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a photo gallery into your Zoho website builder, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.